Zero world hunger by 2030 United Nations goal. Hunger. Hunger. Everywhere you look. Hunger. Hunger. All around the world. Hunger. Hunger. Many children are starving and dying of hunger. 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 Many people have no means of getting food. Hunger. Hunger. United Nations has set a goal to reduce hunger by the year 2030. End hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture, United Nations goal by 2030. Yet, hunger around the globe continues to increase every day, not decreasing. Yet, many people around the globe are still dying of hunger. 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 Greed and corruption still keep many bellies full while the bellies of the poor and helpless remain empty. Those who are starving, many a time, are powerless and have kept their mouths and belly closed. Some struggle to do what they can to put food in their belly. But how much can they struggle when greed and corruption have kept food in the hands of a few selfish ones? Some hungry people are just folding their hands and waiting for God to drop their food from heaven, as their religion told them. But how can false religious persons heal aching bellies that are dying of hunger? Hunger. Hunger. Everywhere you look, many people are starving. Hunger. Hunger. Everywhere, an empty stomach can endure but so much. Hunger. Hunger. Everywhere, many children around the globe are dying of hunger and starvation. Wars, climate change, greed and corruption, major causes of hunger and starvation around the globe continues to put up a fight. A hungry child does not understand United Nations zero goal of 2030. He wants his food now. Help feed a hungry child today. Hunger. Hunger. Everywhere. Maggie's Poetry Corner. Hunger has no friend, everyone is an enemy.